Hey y'all, sorry about the lighting. It's about 12:30 in the morning. We just got home from Willamette uh, Veterinary Hospital, and just thought I'd give you all an update on SturFry. This afternoon, I was working over by the sawmill and noticed she was trying to go to the bathroom, was a little bit constipated, didn't think much about it. 15 minutes later, I look up, she's still trying to go to the bathroom, and she starts falling on over. So we called up her vet's office, and they said they were closing at 5 o'clock, in 5 minutes rather, if we could get there in time. And they were 30 minutes away, so they referred us over to the Willamette Veterinary Hospital in Corvallis. When we got there, she started, as soon as she got into the office, she had diarrhea, so she started up with the diarrhea in there and vomiting in both ends. Blood was coming on out. They were concerned about a blockage because she was constipated with the diarrhea too, constipation and diarrhea both. They did an x-ray. There was no blockage. Her stomach is swollen with a lot of liquid, but she can't expel it, but there's no blockage. They said what could cause that and what the symptoms that she has, her pancreas is swollen and is inflamed, and they said that could be part of the problem as well as her intestines. I think it was the intestines that they said was also inflamed and swollen. We don't know at this time what might have caused that. They kept her in the hospital overnight. They're going to give her intravenous feedings and what was other stuff. Anyway, whatever it is, they're going to keep her overnight. They'll keep us informed. Anyway, that's what's happening. So, SturFry could really use you guys' prayers. We'll see you next time.